Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make this lovely Cheongsam fairy top. Disclaimer, I will only show you the pattern and some explanation on how I make this. This isn't a tutorial video. So, if you're a beginner, this project isn't for you yet unless you already know all the basics terms in crochet. And most of the times, I don't even know what I'm doing and just wing it by following other tutorials. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, we're gonna start it with the bust. It's a simple repeat pattern. Basically in row 1, you're gonna make half double crochet, then row 2, a double crochet, and row 3, a half double crochet. Then for row 4 to 6, you're gonna make 11 stitches. After that, repeat the pattern from row 1. For the back part, you can sew it or make a string tie like this. After that, tie the center part in the front like this. Next, we're gonna make the neck part. It's a granny crochet flower square. You can follow the tutorial in other channel. I put the link below on the description box. Next, we're gonna work on the square on the back part. Basically, we're gonna work on the stitches right here from the back and make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. This is what it looks like. As you can see, we're working on every stitch and 1 chain in between the 3 double crochet. After that, we're gonna continue making chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next space of stitches right here. It will look like this. And this is what it looks like from the back. Continue making chain 1 and 3 double crochet across until finish. After you finishing your round, slip stitch to the end, then follow the tutorial again on 57 minutes and 17 seconds mark on the video. For the 4th corner of the square, we're not gonna connect the stitch. So what I'm doing in here is continuing making 2 double crochet, then only make 1 treble crochet. After that, you're gonna fasten off your yarn, then skip 3 stitches, insert your hook on the 4th and make a treble crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 half double crochet, single crochet, then slip stitch. For the granny square, make sure it cover about this much on your chest. If it's too small for you, you can frog in the 2nd round and instead add a double crochet in every stitch for the 2nd round until you reach the desired width. After that, make the corner square back again on the next round. For the next round, we're just gonna make a half double crochet in every stitch while working 2 half double crochet. Chain 2 to half double crochet in the chain 2 space corner. Next, we're gonna make this 2 edges here. We're gonna work on the left side first, like this. You're gonna start working on the chain to space corner and make a double crochet foundation, or you can make chain 2 and count that as a stitch. For the right side, the pattern is basically the same as the left side, but in reverse. After that, sew the space here to the flower, so it will look like this. Then sew the piece of granny crochet to the body starting from the center part. Make sure it's even. Next, we're gonna add edges right here. Insert your hook from 2 stitches after the sewing line, then work your way up to the top. For row 4, make 6 double crochet, decrease double crochet, and double crochet in the same last stitch. Then work to half double crochet and to single crochet on the edge of space right here. Then make a slip stitch right here. For the left side, we're gonna work from the top to the bottom. Now we're gonna work on the neck part. We're working from the top right here. For the left side, it's the same pattern as right, but we're working from here instead. Next, you're gonna make a single crochet from the right side right here, then across all the way to the left side. After single crochet, the front part, we're gonna skip 9 or 10 stitches for the arms, then continue making single crochet in the 10 or 11 stitch across to the back. Make sure to do the other side too. For the buttons, you're gonna insert your hook to the front pose stitch, then make a puff stitch. I didn't count on where I insert it basically, I just do it as long as it looks even. It will look like this. For the left side, you're gonna make the hole for the button. Sew a hook like this in the back of the neck part to connect it, or you can make a chain of string to tie it to the back. For the ruffle sleeves, you're gonna follow the tutorial on Chenda DIY video starting from 32 to 24 mark. For the straps on the tutorial video, you're gonna start with inserting your hook right after the single crochet edges that you already made before. On the 35 to 56 marks, when you reach the front, to make a single crochet, insert the hook to the front loop only of the sewing line. Continue working until you reach 46 to 13 marks. To sew the front part, insert hook to both front loop from the granny square into the sleeves like this. The last step, we're gonna make the lace. For the lace part, you're gonna start by inserting your hook to the front post stitch really right here and make a double crochet foundation after that. Follow the pattern on row 1. For the last stitch on row 1, you're gonna make a double crochet on the front post to even both side ends. That's it. Hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful. I'm sorry if some instructions is unclear, so let Lynn know your thoughts on the comments.